The Haitian Timoun Foundation exists to create life-giving impact for Haiti's poor. The people of Haiti are no strangers to suffering, but right now the people of Haiti are suffering more than ever. In the face of the COVID-19 health pandemic, there's a whole new set of obstacles and challenges as resources are scarce and fear and concern is on the rise. Our partners in Haiti need our support more than ever, our financial gifts, but also our advocacy. You see, we have an opportunity as people who believe in creating life-giving impact for Haiti's poor to raise awareness around Haiti's hidden heroes. These are the people in Haiti that work every day to create the sustainable change that the country needs. And so I was really encouraged a few weeks ago when I received a phone call from Kristen and Todd. They're members of Sheridan Lutheran Church, one of our covenant partners in Lincoln, Nebraska. They're runners, and Kristen and Todd had an idea for a way that we could be mobilized to do something really good for our partners in Haiti. Their idea was to launch a virtual race. We had a planning session, and away we went. So we would like to officially introduce to you the HTF Timoun Trot. This is a walk-run event for the children of Haiti. I want you now to hear from Kristen and Todd, our race directors.
Hi, we're Todd and Kristen, and we are the race directors for the HTF Timoun Trot virtual race.
The people of Haiti often struggle to get basic needs such as nutrition and health care fulfilled. The COVID-19 virus has exaggerated these difficulties.
The HTF Timoun Trot virtual race is a 1 mile, 5K, and half marathon distance run. The registration for this race is a donation towards the cause in Haiti. Please join us in making this race a success and challenge yourself and those around you to do so.
Our family has signed up to run the 5K together, and Todd and I will also be running the half marathon distance. We hope you'll consider joining us as we come together as a community to support the people of Haiti.
The Timoun Trot race weekend is June 26th through the 28th. We encourage everyone who registers to complete their event sometime over those 3 days. It'll be really exciting to see so many people across the country participate in this virtual event together. Whether you will be walking 1 mile or running 13, know that your race, your event is making a difference for the people of Haiti. Not only is your registration a donation, a tax-deductible donation that will go to providing life-giving impact in Haiti, your event also serves as a witness to your neighbors and your community that you are walking or running with a purpose, celebrating Haiti's hidden heroes who are busy at work today and will be at work tomorrow, creating a better future where all might have life. We invite you to learn more and to register at our website, htflive.org/race. You can find all the information you need there. Happy training.